Good Saturday morning, everybody. Welcome to 256 Garage. We're here bright and early Saturday morning. Kind of foggy outside, but should be a nice day. Give you a little quick walk around of what we can. A lot of work done. This one of them weekends is kind of hard to tell, but anyway, let's get started. Start here in the shop. Like I said, we got the old Jeepster there, the doors on it, and still waiting on a few parts. Doing a little odd and end other stuff to it. Body work is coming along on the Camaro. I think we got the left side pretty much knocked out here. Working on the front valance now. Got the right side pretty much knocked out. Roof, got it pretty much done. Back valance, or header panel there, whatever you want to call it. Like the rear valance back here. But got most of it coming along. Should be able to get it in prime all over again this week, or well, next week. A little Honda that we're gonna have for sale, a little Copart build. We got a hood and we put the fender off a parts car we had that was a little better shape. This one had a little bend in it, so we put the one off it and the hood off the other one's in a little better shape, so we're gonna get it put on. Like I said, waiting on the headliner. We had to do a little repair on it, but it's ready for covering. We got the airbag in. We'll be able to put the headliner back up, put all the insides back on, and get the door on. Got the rear bumper mounted. Got all that put back together. So like I said, as soon as we get that in there, be ready for inspection. Ford truck. We ended up, this door somehow got missed and didn't get stripped all the way to the metal on the inside. So we got it stripped down. It's ready for prime. We get it primed, then they'll be ready to get the doors jammed, where we can get them hung and start getting the fenders and stuff like that put on. A little convertible here, just in the way, I guess you call it. Still waiting. Transmission Specialties, I think that's what it is, TSI, something like that. They about to get on my last nerve. I'm fixing to just try to get my money back and get me a converter from somewhere else if they don't keep messing around. You can't get them on the phone. Then he finally does email you back, and then you email him back, no answer. Then they was closed yesterday. It's always something. And we need to get the transmission in this one where we can do some more driving and get it off the lift. Like I said, the old convertible, they want to sell Drake a motor. I don't know. Could be a nice old car. Oh, look at that. That'd be a good, fun cruiser. Like I said, the Nissan's ready for paint. Just got to get it in the booth, I believe. Rear bumper's ready, front bumper's ready, fender's ready, so we get it in there and get it taped off hopefully pretty soon and get some silver on it. And then we'll get it put back together and it'll be ready to send for inspection. Let's see. Can't think of a whole lot out here, really. Drake's little Mustang, he's been doing some work on it. Let's walk over here right quick. Little Charger in here, just about ready for paint. Got the door ready, quarter ready. Hopefully get it in the booth next week. I ain't sure if we got anything in the booth or not. Yep, got a little Nissan in the booth. Got the quarter repaired, painted on it. So hopefully we'll get it out, get it back together next week, and it'll be ready to go. That's about all we got to show. Like I said, we got quite a bit of work done. Just one of them you can't really tell it on camera. Got a lot of work to do next week. Hopefully we can get it all knocked out and start getting some of these other projects knocked out. Like I said, got a couple more Coparts out there we need to fix. Get them sold. So anyway, check us out. 256 Garage out.